Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I would like to share with you how I make my puff puff, also known as Bofrot or Bofrot, which is a perfect breakfast idea with any kind of beverage or porridge. So stay tuned and enjoy. So I have with me here 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of active yeast, 1 cup of sugar which is not entirely full, my egg, and then 1 cup of milk. I also have with me here my vanilla extract. So I'll start by adding my dry ingredients. So we are all done. Just look at that. Our Bofrot or puff puff is ready. Bring your cocoa or porridge or beverage and then let's dig in. So if you love this video, the crunchiness, just look at that. So if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and then subscribe. Try this recipe and then let me know what you think. See you in my next video. Bye.